In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to invite and play with cross-platform friends in Play Now Online mode NBA 2K26. So first, let's make sure crossplay is turned on. From the main menu, go to Features and Settings, then scroll all the way down to the bottom. You'll see the crossplay option there. Make sure it's set to on. If you're on PlayStation 5, you can enable it directly from here. But if you're on Xbox, you might need to go into your Xbox privacy settings and enable crossplay from there. Once that's done, make sure it's on in both places. Now to find or add your crossplay friends, press L1 and R1 on the main menu or LB and RB on the main menu. To open the crossplay menu, you'll see your 2K ID at the top. From here, just search for your friend's 2K ID and send them a friend request. Remind them to also have the crossplay enabled and friend request open so the invite goes through. Once you are both connected, it's time to play. Go to Play Now on the main menu. If you wanna play against random people, go to Play Now Online. But if you wanna play against your friend, just go to the regular Play Now option. Inside Play Now, press R3 to open your friends list. You'll see your PlayStation friends here, and you can also invite your crossplay friends using L1 and R1 or LB and RB to bring up the crossplay list. Select your friend, send the invite, and once they join, you're good to start the match. And that's it. That's how you play with or against your crossplay friends in Play Now mode on NBA 2K26. If this helps you out, like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.